Wooden cupboard designs. Let's begin with classic wooden cupboard designs that exude timeless elegance. Traditional cupboards often feature intricate craftsmanship, rich wood tones, and ornate detailing. A classic example is the antique armoire, a tall and imposing piece with paneled doors, carved accents, and ample storage space. This type of cupboard adds a touch of old-world charm to bedrooms, living rooms, or dining areas, serving as a focal point while providing practical storage for clothing, linens, or dinnerware. For those who prefer a more rustic or farmhouse-inspired look, distressed wooden cupboards are a perfect choice. These cupboards showcase the natural beauty of wood with a weathered finish that adds a touch of authenticity and character. Rustic cupboards often feature simple designs, reclaimed wood, and vintage hardware such as wrought iron handles or hinges. They are ideal for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in kitchens, dining rooms, or even entryways, offering both storage and visual appeal. Moving on to contemporary wooden cupboard designs, minimalism and sleekness take center stage. Modern cupboards are characterized by clean lines, smooth finishes, and minimalist hardware. A popular choice is the Scandinavian-inspired cupboard, which combines light wood tones, minimalist design, and functionality. In urban environments where space is limited, multifunctional wooden cupboards offer ingenious solutions. One example is the convertible cupboard bed, a versatile piece of furniture that serves as both a storage unit and a bed. These innovative designs often feature fold-out or pull-down mechanisms that transform the cupboard into a comfortable sleeping area, making them ideal for studio apartments, guest rooms, or children's bedrooms where space saving is essential. For homeowners looking to make a statement with their cupboards, custom-designed wooden cupboards are the way to go. Working with skilled craftsmen or designers, custom cupboards can be tailored to suit specific preferences, styles, and spatial requirements. Whether incorporating unique finishes, custom hardware, or personalized storage solutions, custom cupboards allow homeowners to express their individuality while creating functional and aesthetically pleasing storage solutions. When it comes to incorporating wooden cupboards into different rooms, versatility is key. In kitchens, wooden cupboards can be customized to accommodate appliances, utensils, and pantry items while complementing the overall design scheme. Glass-fronted cupboards add a touch of sophistication, allowing display of fine china or decorative items. In bedrooms, wardrobes with sliding doors maximize space and offer organized storage for clothing, shoes, and accessories. For those with a love for eclectic or vintage styles, mixing and matching wooden cupboards with other materials can create a unique and personalized look. Pairing wooden cupboards with metal accents, glass shelves, or mirrored surfaces adds visual interest and depth to any room. Incorporating unexpected elements, such as colorful knobs, patterned wallpapers, or textured finishes can elevate the design and create a one-of-a-kind aesthetic. Wooden cupboard designs offer a wide range of options for homeowners to enhance their living spaces with style and functionality. Whether embracing classic elegance, rustic charm, modern simplicity, or personalized customization, wooden cupboards are versatile furniture pieces that stand the test of time.